Gotcha. Now you have to watch the rest of this solar video. The electric company out here came and said they could not pass my inspection because these weren't in conduit. But anyways, we're knocking it out. And yes, I am going to straighten all of those up and tack them to the bottom of that gutter, and then again to some type of support system up top. But the 8 panels I ordered for this section will be here tomorrow morning. I hope to have them up by the end of the weekend. I've got my fuses underneath the positive leads of each of these boxes. Turn that one back on, it's got water back in. So it looks like a solid piece of conduit running through that pipe just to hold it in place, but that's actually where I can lift each of them up and change and check my fuses. Booyah, isn't that awesome? Woot woot. All right, we got the other 8 panels in, and we have 1 mounted, and it was a pain in the ass because I didn't make my rails long enough on this side, so I had to piecemeal some together. But anyway, it is up. Well, Buoycast came and put the new meter in, and we have half of the order of 8 panels up already. And should have the rest of them done in probably about an hour. Okay, maiden voyage with all 32 on the roof. Let's turn this bad boy on and see what happens. Oh yeah, it's about to rain. Okay, I guess we'll do this another day. Well, just a little bit of cleanup to do, and I will be done with these 32. I've still got 14 more. I just got to get them ordered. I'm working on a deal straight through China because nobody can seem to get them when you search through Google for solar panels. I've had to already cancel 2 orders that were supposed to be here weeks ago, but check it out. Man, that's crazy. And then here's how this turned out so far. I still got to do some cleanup and cable management, but looking good so far. I can't complain. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And here's a shot from pretty far back.